Hello everyone. Sri Jawaharlal Darda Education Societies, Yavatmal Public School welcomes you to the digital world. Welcome to YouTube channel YPS Back to Class. Please like and share our videos and subscribe the channel.
Hello students, welcome to YPS Back to Class. I am Nitin Bajpayee. In this video, I am going to explain a very important theorem, angle sum property of triangle of 9th class. The statement of this theorem is the sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. We are giving only a triangle. First we make diagram and denote angle ABC as 1, 2, 3. And what we have to prove? The sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. For this, we will construct a line parallel to BC or AC or AB. This time, we are constructing a line PAQ parallel to BC. Now proof. Since PQ is parallel to BC through A, so angle 4 equal to angle 2 and angle 5 equal to angle 3. See in figure, these are alternate interior angles. Now sum of angle 4 and angle 1 and angle 5, they are making linear pair, so it is 180 degree. So we can replace angle 4 and angle 5 by 2 and 3. So in this way, we can prove the sum of angle A plus angle B and angle C is equal to 180 degree. By another method, we can prove this theorem. As you know, an exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of opposite two interior angles. By this method, we can also prove this theorem. See this figure. Angle 4 is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So, angle 4 is equal to the sum of angle 1 plus angle 2. Adding angle 3 to both sides. See in figure, angle 3 and angle 4, they are making linear pair. So, again we can prove this angle A plus angle, sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. I am taking one example to explain this theorem. In figure, PQ is parallel to SR and PQ is perpendicular to PS. And angle SQR and angle QRT are given, which is 28 and 65 respectively. Now we have to find the value of X and Y. For this, since PQ is parallel to SR or ST, so angle PQR and angle QRT, they are alternate interior angle. They are equal. So X plus 28 is equal to 65. Now transpose 28 and get the value of X 37 degree. Now we will use the theorem angle sum property in triangle PSQ to find the value of Y. See in the figure. Remember the figure in triangle PSQ. So we have to find the value of Y. So angle P is 90 given because it is sine of 90 degree. Now use angle sum property. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. So put the value of X and Y and 90. After putting the value of P and X, because Y is unknown, so 90 plus 37, that becomes 127. Now transpose 127 and subtract from 180 degree, so you will get the value of Y 53 degree. So we have used this theorem which I explained earlier, angle sum property of triangle. So it is very important theorem. Thanks for watching this video.